start playing a role in space, then you need to give a try to the Luxembourg Tech School Space Resources Challenge. Peaceful space resources utilization requires technology, actually a lot of technology. One of the key technologies are robots, especially the robots that we can use to explore in space and potentially use them to mine and find resources like water or minerals. This challenge is about how you could program an autonomous moon rover to find the exit of a maze. You will learn about autonomous rovers, and the winner will get one of these real sizes, fully programmable rovers, the early rover. What you need to do is first learn how to program the early rover by following these three very simple videos. The first video is about how you install an environment which will allow you to simulate the programming of this autonomous rover. In the second video, you will learn everything about the robot operating system, ROS. And in the third video, you will learn the basic Python code to program the rover to exit a maze. Second, you can work on this challenge either individually or in teams. And the main goal is to solve the maze fast. The faster they manage to solve the maze, this will be the winner. What you need to do is to improve the autopilot code in Python to win the challenge. When you have your submission ready, you need to send it to this email, challenge@techschool.lu. Third, all individual submissions or team submissions will be invited in our shop at the end of November to test your code in a real rover. Of course, you will test it in a new maze, and there we're gonna see which is the faster. Again, rules are simple. First, learn how to program the rover, work individually or in teams and improve the autopilot Python code. And third, get invited to the workshop to test it to see if your code is the faster. Good luck and see you in November.